So here we are at Edpuzzle, and I found a great video that I want my students to use to learn grammar. So I found it on YouTube, so I'm going to go down to the YouTube channel, and I'm going to click in the search bar, and as soon as I paste this link in, it's going to pop up. It was that simple. Super duper simple, okay? So the first thing it's going to prompt you to do is to cut it. Okay, so I'm going to play the video a little bit and see which parts that I want to cut out. So maybe I think that
there are eight parts of.
So maybe I think that that intro was a little bit long because I don't want my students to have to sit through every letter to come on, learn easy English. So maybe what I'll do is I'll cut the beginning. So to cut the beginning, you hover over and then you see the little hand. Then you can drag to the part where you want it to start. So I just cut off a few seconds to kind of move our video viewing along, right? Then I'm going to play a little bit more.
There are 8 parts of speech. Verb.
And I'm going to fast forward a little bit.
Which 1 o'clock.
And I'm going to say, you know what, I didn't teach my students interjections yet, so I'm going to let them have the definition, but let me hit pause. I'm going to let them have the definition, but I don't want them to see all of these examples. I'm just going to say, just get the definition and we'll talk about examples later. So I'm going to cut this part. All right, so to cut in the middle of an Edpuzzle, you're going to move this black pin to where you want to cut out. Then you're going to click Add Cut. And then you're going to move the pin again to where you want it to end. Add Cut. And then you can click on this and trash it. Okay? It's that simple. So it will move it back for you automatically. Super easy. All right? If you can go through and you can do that again. Click Add Cut. Move it over a little bit more. Click Add Cut. Whoop. Sorry. Click in that section. Click in that section again. And you delete it. All right, so I just click and drag until it's gone, and then it shows me the trash can and it goes away. Okay? So when I'm finished editing, I can click Finish. And now if you can see the time when we started before we cut the video, it was about 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Now it's down to 5 minutes and 49 seconds. So that's just if you want to cut or edit some of the sections out of your Edpuzzle video.